Here's some nature versus nurture trivia. Subscribe. Who proposed the nature versus nurture debate? Is it A. Francis Galton, B. Sigmund Freud, C. B.F. Skinner, or D. Charles Darwin? The correct answer is A. Francis Galton. Which psychologist is known for behavioral theory? Is it A. Jean Piaget, B. B.F. Skinner, C. Carl Rogers, or D. Sigmund Freud? The correct answer is B. B.F. Skinner. Who researched the effects of parenting styles? Is it A. Diana Baumrind, Skinner, C. Sigmund Freud, or D. Albert Bandura? The correct answer is A. Diana Baumrind. What factor can modify genetic expression? Is it A. Exercise, B. Diet, C. Environment, or D. Age? The correct answer is C. Environment. Who emphasized the role of social learning? Is it A. Erik Erikson, B. John Watson, C. B.F. Skinner, or D. Albert Bandura? The correct answer is D. Albert Bandura. What term describes behaviors not influenced by genes? Is it A. Genetic mutations, B. Evolutionary adaptations, C. Inherited traits, or D. Acquired characteristics? The correct answer is D. Acquired characteristics. Who introduced the concept of attachment theory? Is it A. Sigmund Freud, B. B.F. Skinner, C. John Bowlby, or D. Erik Erikson? The correct answer is C. John Bowlby. What is a common method to study nature versus nurture? Is it A. Adoption studies, B. Fetish research, C. Surveys, or D. Twin studies? The correct answer is A. Adoption studies. What document shaped modern concepts of childhood? Is it A. the Magna Carta, B. the Declaration of Independence, C. the Child Development Act, or D. the Emancipation Proclamation? The correct answer is C. the Child Development Act. What type of intelligence is often debated in studies? Is it A. social intelligence, B. emotional intelligence, C. creative reasoning, or D. intellectual aptitude? The correct answer is B. emotional intelligence. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.